My name is Paul Roche. I'm the CEO of TUI Credit Union. We've been using Power BI now for 12 months roughly. It has really been very beneficial to our organisation. Working with Sean and his team, implementation was seamless and we're very happy with the suite of reports that are now coming through on the Power BI model. We had a number of challenges previously in that we had multiple areas where we were pulling our data from and trying to convert those into graphic format and in turn then for presentations onto board and to committees, etc. So really what Power BI has allowed us to do is to bring all the information into one central location that is user-friendly but also refreshed on a daily basis. Power BI now allows us the time to analyse the data, having saved numerous hours every day in the extraction of that information. The analysing now allows us to drill down into call activity. It allows us to drill down further into loan activity, membership, being able to assess the different sections of the business from a lending demand, credit control, membership, current account activities. So from that point of view, it's been invaluable to me, being able to identify a trend instantly. The number of bespoke supports within our credit control was vast. It numbered close to 20 different reports, varying from the different aspects of the credit control module, looking at arrears profile, looking at performance of the loan book, segmenting the loan book down into the different categories from exposure to purpose, again being able to analyse from an age profile the different performance trends, and all that information then can be relayed back to our lending team to enhance our underwriting department. So the credit control module has been a huge addition to the credit union. As I mentioned, it previously would have taken hours to pull all that information together in time for a credit control committee. Now we have that instantly. It saves time for the credit control officer to identify trends a lot sooner as opposed to at the end of the month. One of the key projects that we're looking at is automating our daily reconciliations between the general ledger and our core banking system. Currently that's an entirely manual process that involves a member of staff taking the information from the core banking system, inputting it into an Excel sheet, and from there the variance is assessed by the employee. The new project that we're working on is going to allow the extraction of that information automatically. So every morning the staff member comes in and starts the day reconciling as opposed to pulling the information manually from the two systems. I must really credit Sean for his responsiveness during the development of the bespoke credit control reports. The reports, as I mentioned, were extensive and covered numerous areas of the loan book, and they were particular to our own credit union, but Sean was always on hand, available for calls, team calls, email responses. So I was really happy with the level of support and the response that I received from Sean, and all in fine-tuning and analysis, and it has been a great comfort to me to continue to build on that relationship for the year ahead, knowing that level of support is available. So I want to say thank you to Sean and his team for that.